Okay, so we've eaten a very big part, probably a bit too much. Uh, but we've had lunch. There have been some casualties that are already on the couch. But mom, she still has the energy to do part two of this. So we will be, I'll be helping mom do sopa no cozido, which is a soup made from the leftovers of lunch. Now she doesn't use all the leftovers for the soup, but she does use all the leftovers. So from the leftovers, we can prepare like 3 to 4 other meals. So this is very typical of the so-called poor gastronomy. Okay, so you make do with everything that you have, and nothing is left out. So here we are. Mommy is first what she would call cleaning out the meats. So she's taking out the skins, you know, see this part here? She's taking out that skin and that fat of the pork. I mean, not entirely, but the majority of it, because this is just not good for you. So she's cleaning out the meats, and she has separated some of the sausages. That's the farinheira right there, and that's the blood sausage. Those do not go into the soup. Those they go back to my house. So here mom has separated big parts of the meat that she will not be using for the soup. Okay, so the soup is right there. Okay, that's what she's gonna be using for the soup. But what about here? What will mom do with this? Well, she can make many things. She can make something like croquettes that we love. She can make a meat pie, which is also very typical, with mashed potatoes underneath. Something very cozy and warm to bake in the oven. So this is what we will be using for the soup. And there is one ingredient for the soup that you are not seeing here yet, which is chickpeas. Yes, the soup will involve also chickpeas. Okay. So mommy's gonna that's the process. As you can see, very high tech.
Yeah. We need a computer.
A computer, machinery. Yes, it's all very high tech, as you can see.
Look.
Very high tech. There we go. So mom's gonna just smash everything into that beautiful water that we saw, that we reserved from earlier. Oh, mom has asked for a wooden spoon. Hold on, mom. Here are the spoons. Big spoon, big spoon, big spoon. Here we go. Okay.
Põe dentro. Daqui a bocado já vou pôr.
Okay.
Potatoes are in the bath.
Potatoes go in the bath, says mom. It's a very nice spa for the potatoes.
Yeah. And now carrots.
Carrots go into the spa as well.
Yeah. Some carrots.
Oh yes, some carrots for the leftovers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it always makes... This can also be used to make something like a bolognese as well. So there are plenty of meals that come out of this one meal.
Now we need reeling.
Oh, now we need real technology, okay. So as you can imagine, it's a chunky soup. If you're not the kind of person that likes a chunky soup, this is definitely not for you. Because besides the chunky meat and the chunky vegetables, you're also going to have the chickpeas. So it's not a soup that later on will be whizzed. It's supposed to be chunky and very hearty, very fulfilling, you know? And it's definitely a winter dish.
It's good for a hot, a very cold day.
A very cold day, yes. It's good for a very cold day.
Not in the hot time.
Not in the summer, most definitely not. Another piece of fat that can be left out. Now, if you do eat this type of dishes in other places or in restaurants, it can be fattier. My mom does you know, she starts cooking this almost 2 days in advance, and she does take a lot of the fat out because, you know, the heart and the arteries can only take so much. So this is mommy trying to take care of us.
Look,
and it's still delicious, huh? Look at the meat. That is the belly.
Yeah.
Okay? It's mommy's favorite part, and definitely one of my favorite as well.
This is not my favorite.
It's not your favorite, mommy?
No. Favorite is when they are brown.
Oh, I know. When they're crispy.
No, of course not. What? Yes.
So the high-tech working again. Yeah. And everything's very hygienic. Don't worry about those things.
No.
Mommy washed her hands yesterday. Don't worry.
No, last week.
Oh, last week. Okay.
No. The week.
The week before? Okay.
I'm going to doctor and I need to.
Ah, yes, to be presentable. Yes. Okay. So she took a shower 2 weeks ago for the doctor's appointment this week. Yes. Very good, mommy. Very good.
Yes.
Very good.
I have a pain in this arm, and I watched the arm.
Oh, you washed the arm, just the arm. Okay. So when are you planning to wash the other arm? For Christmas?
I'm not pain.
Oh, you're not in pain. Okay. So one never knows. Okay.
Yeah.
When it starts to create a crust, maybe. Okay.
You see?
Okay.
It's difficult. Very difficult. Olha, fecha ali aquele armário. Que horrível.
Mommy is bossing me around. She's telling me to close the cabinets because she doesn't want you to see her messy kitchen. Look how messy this kitchen is. Yes, welcome to my mom's home, who is, well, little OCD.
Now, technology again.
Oh, proper technology now again. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ah. So, after a little technicality, we are back. And the cabbage is in. Look at that. That is the kind of soup that will get you ready to plow a field or take a very long nap. It really depends on your mood. And so, Mommy, what happens after this? We're gonna put the chickpeas in.
And go to the
The stove.
Okay.
For how long?
15 minutes.
50? 50?
No, 50.
15?
Yeah.
Okay, 15 minutes. In a high heat or a small heat or a low heat?
So,
Low heat? Oh,
see.
15 minutes in low heat. And you're going to use pre-boiled chickpeas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So mommy's putting the chickpeas in. She drained them, and you don't use the water that comes in the can. That's not good. So you have to drain them. And she's just adding a little bit more meat to the soup because, you know, because reasons. You can never have too much.
Yeah.
Mommy is investigating if you can add a little bit more. And one might think, oh, it must be a really big family, right? No, it's just 5 adults and 2 kids. But it is part of the tradition that every time my mom makes this, we do usually take a bit of this soup to a friend of ours. Oh, look at that. Mommy, that's not the arm you washed.
No, why not? It's good for my skin.
Oh yes, it's spa, hand spa.
Of my hands. Okay,
I think we're done, right?
Yeah.
No? Not yet.
Yeah.
Just a little bit more meat for the army.
Yeah. For Zay.
For Zay, for our friend.
Our friends.
Yes.
They love this.
He loves it. He really goes crazy for it, so.
He needs this. Okay. I think it's okay.
Okay, so this is how it's looking at the moment.
Yeah?
Yes, very good. Very good. And it'll go on the stove, like Mom said, for about 15 minutes.
We need a spoon and a fork
And
to eat this.
Oh yes, that's right, a spoon and a fork. Oh, and we didn't put any salt or anything because everything's there already, right? Yeah. And we don't need any spices because all those flavors are there already. If you were to put this is already quite strong in terms of flavor. This is already a little on the salty side. If you were to put salt in this, you really would ruin it completely.
It's not good to eat when you go to bed. Okay?
Oh yes, not the last thing to eat before you go to bed.
It's not like tea.
No, it's not tea. Okay.
Okay. Now. In 9.
Okay, so
Now.
okay, yes. So first maximum heat. It's gonna start to boil, and then Mom will lower it.
We go to the minimum.
Okay.
10 minutes.
10-15 minutes in very low heat.
It's not anymore.
Well, thank you again, Mommy.